What is going on, guys? UnlimitedCop here, back with another video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about NikeShoeBot. And before we get into the video, guys, if you don't know who I am, my name is Hunter or UnlimitedCop. I make videos going over botting sneakers, reselling sneakers, botting Supreme, and a whole bunch of other things. If you guys are interested, be sure to check out some other videos. Now in this video, guys, we're going to talk about NikeShoeBot, and then I'm going to actually hop onto my computer, show you guys how to set the bot up and how to actually get checkouts with it. And as always, guys, if I do help you guys out in any way in this video, please be sure to leave a like down below and hit the subscribe button for more content. Without any further ado, guys, let's just hop right into it. Now, NikeSneakersBot, or NSB, is going to be coming in at a retail price of $500 every year. Now, if you break down that math, it is going to be $41 every single month. Honestly, guys, for the bot that you're getting, it's not that bad of a price, especially if you are a beginner. If you guys have seen the bot market recently, it's absolutely shot up like insane. Bots are going for like $5,000, $6,000, $7,000, $9,000, $10,000. This is on a side note, but I saw Dragon AAO sell for $15,000. So that $500 price point is definitely not a bad price when you're getting started. Now, whenever you guys are first getting started, obviously it's going to take a little time to learn the bot, but if you dedicate some time and effort into actually learning the bot, you're definitely going to be able to make more than that $41 every single month. In my opinion, guys, obviously it might take you a little bit longer. It might take you 5 or 6 months to actually get like started learning the bot and copying with it, but I do eventually think you guys can turn a profit. Also, guys, on a complete side note, you can get NSB for $350 every single year, which works out to about $29 every single month at the group buy price. A little shameless promo, guys, my group Saber.io is going to be having a group buy with NSB in the next couple weeks. Obviously, guys, we have a lot more than just a group buy coming. We have release guides, we have support, we have monitors, pretty much everything you guys would need to get started. If you guys are interested, be sure to check us down in the description below. NikeShoeBot covers a range of sites ranging from Adidas, Supreme, Yeezy Supply, Shopify, foot sites. Honestly, guys, pretty much everything you would need when you're getting started. Personally, guys, like no bias at all, like I'm not getting paid to say this or anything. If I was to go back in time, like restart, obviously when I was sneaker botting, I would pick up NSB. Like I would pick up NSB, I would buy some proxies and join a group. Those would be my first 3 steps when I got into botting, just because it's such an affordable price to get into, and over time I could definitely see myself making profit with it. Also, guys, this doesn't have anything to do with NSB, but if you are looking into getting sneaker botting and you're looking to pick up NSB, definitely be sure to budget a little bit because you're going to need more than just the bot. You are going to need proxies, you could potentially need a server, a group, and accounts, so definitely be sure to take those things into account whenever you are budgeting for your first bot. So now that you guys kind of know a little bit more about NSB, let's hop onto my computer. I'll show you guys how to get it set up and actually run some tasks. Alright, guys, so as you can see, we're on my computer now. We're on the home page of NSB. Whenever you guys buy the bot and first set it up, this is where you are going to be. So the first thing we're going to do is kind of run through the features that it has. Then we're going to actually go through with making a task and actually checking out an item. So on the task page, very simple to use, guys. At the bottom, we have start all. We're going to start all your tasks. Stop all, we'll stop all of them. Manual captcha, whenever there's a captcha required, you can click on manual captcha and solve it. The next we have is the edit all information button, and then obviously delete all of your tasks. So the next tab we have is the proxies tab. Not really too much to this, guys. You can see your proxy list right here. Simply just click add proxy list, put in the name of the list, add your proxies, and you'll be good to go. Later in this video, guys, I'll be walking through how to actually buy proxies and set those up. Up here at the top right, guys, we have the cookie button. If you guys do need cookies for your sites, obviously you can generate them here. You input your proxies and then you can make them. NSB has a full guide on this, guys, so once you buy the bot, you'll get access to that guide. And because of that, I'm not really going to be going through a lot of it in this video. Next, we have the billing tab. This is where you're going to make your billing profiles. Honestly, very easy to use, guys. You can just make billing right here, put in all your information, then you're pretty much good to go. If you guys don't know how to jig your addresses or make billing profiles, I'll leave a link to the video down in the description below so you guys can check that out. Up here we have the billing groups. Honestly, guys, you don't really have to worry about this unless you're running slots or you want to group your billing for some reason. Also up here, guys, at the top right, we have the import and export button. As you guys saw this on the proxies and the task tab, really easy to use, guys. The left is going to be the import, the right is going to be the export button. Next, we have the captcha solver tab. Really simple to use. Like, I know I keep saying that a lot, but honestly, guys, pretty simple. In the top left, you have the new solver button. Click on that. You can input a name, input the proxy. If you guys are having more than one captcha solver, you are going to need proxies, and the other ones you can have one on your local. Then all the other ones you're gonna have to have proxies for. I'll have a video coming out on captchas very soon. And then you have the original and the vanilla method. Personally, I only use the original. Honestly, not too sure what the vanilla is, but once you join the NSB Discord, they'll have guides and all that. Moving on to the monitors tab. Honestly, guys, this is definitely a really big feature NSB has, and it's honestly very, very cool. I haven't seen this in any other bots personally. So right here, guys, you can log into Discord. It's gonna open up this little window you guys can actually log in on. Then once you guys log in, you can come over to the monitors tab. And obviously, I haven't logged in yet, but I would see all my Discord servers here. So you can log into your Discord server, and then you'd find the channel that the monitor is set up on, and then those items would pop in here. which honestly is super cool, guys. So if you guys want a quick task very easily, you can. So let's just say you're like at home waiting for restocks, you see them pop up on your monitor, simply just hit quick task and it makes tasks for you. Which honestly, guys, I haven't seen that integration in any other bots. Obviously other bots have monitors but not integrated in Discord, so that's a very cool feature. And then the profile tab, guys, you don't have to worry about. It just has information about your actual bot. And then the last tab we have is the cop tab, which is obviously going to be your success tab. That's going to show you all the items you've checked out. This is the brand new copy NSB that I have, so obviously it doesn't have anything checked out yet. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for like the walkthrough of the bot. Now I'm going to show you guys how to actually get your proxy set up, how to get your captcha set up and make an actual task. So you guys are going to need a couple things before we get started. The first is going to be proxies. Personally, guys, I use OmniProxies. It's my own proxy company. Links will be down in the description below if you guys want to check this out. Be sure to use code DC for 5% off your orders. So the first thing you're going to want to do is actually purchase the proxies. I would highly suggest our Platinum plan. Honestly, that's the only one in stock right now because we've had so much demand for the others. So you can pick a 1 GB plan, 2 GB, 4, 6, and 8. I'll have a video on proxies if you don't know what gigabytes mean down in the description below if you guys want to check this out. But honestly, just know the more gigabytes you have, the more tasks, and the longer they are going to last. Personally, I probably recommend a 2 GB plan if you're just getting started. So once you have your proxies purchased, come over here to the dashboard. Then you guys are going to want to pick your plan. Obviously, it's probably going to be the Platinum plan. Leave it on static IP. Then pick the site you guys are going to be targeting. For video purposes, I'm going to be targeting Shopify. Next, select your country. Then the amount of proxies you guys are going to want to generate. Usually, guys, I do anywhere from like 200, 300 proxies. Really, it doesn't matter the amount of proxies you have, as long as you have a 1-to-1 proxy task ratio, which basically means have more proxies than you have tasks. Then just hit generate right here and then scroll down. Obviously, you guys can't see the proxies, but come over here to this little green box, click on it, and then you'll see proxies copied. And once you have your proxies copied, come over here to the proxies tab, hit create a new proxy list. You can name this anything you want, and then just paste in your proxies. You're gonna hit the latency test here to see how fast they are. Then you obviously check the format of them if you would like. And then once you have all that done, you can hit the submit button. And the next thing we are gonna wanna do is make our actual billing profiles. So come over here to the new billing profile. Obviously, guys, really easy to do, just put your information in. And then the next thing we're gonna do is create our captcha solvers. Guys, please do keep in mind some sites need captchas while others don't. Sites like Supreme and Shopify will need captchas, while Foot sites do not need them. So to make your captcha solver, simply just come over here to new solver. You can input the captcha name, which doesn't really matter. I usually just name mine like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then select your mode. Next is hit submit, and then you'll see your captcha solver right here. And the next thing you want to do is come over here to where you see this little button right here and click on it. It'll ask you to log into your Google account, and then once you do that, just simply start watching YouTube videos. I'm gonna have a full in-depth video about captchas and why you need to do this coming out soon. But for now, guys, just know you need to watch YouTube in order to get 1 clicks. And once you guys are logged in on your captcha solvers, come over here to where you see the little 3 dots and then hit open up solver. This will open up a captcha solver so you guys can solve captchas whenever they do pop up. Alright guys, so now that we have our proxies imported, we have our billing profiles made, we have our captcha solvers up if we need them, let's actually make the first task. So for video purposes, I know I said I was going to use Shopify, but I'm actually going to be using Supreme now. And I'm just going to be using a pair of socks so it's easy. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do once you have all those items imported is make your task, like I said. So come to create task section, find the site you're going for, select your category, which in our case is going to be accessories. You can select your size, or if you want a random size, you can just leave it blank. Select the number of tasks you want to create. For video purposes, I'll just be using 5. Select the color you want. I'm just gonna leave it blank for random, and then import your keywords. There'll be keywords in the NSB Discord for every release, so you guys don't have to worry about like creating your own, I guess. And for now, guys, I wouldn't worry about the advanced settings tab. If you know what you're doing, obviously with their delays, you can change that. But for the most part, I would just leave it on normal. Now for Supreme, guys, obviously they have captcha, so you're gonna want to set that right here. And then once you've done that, you can hit submit. Alright guys, so now that you have your task actually created, the next thing you're gonna want to do is just hit start all. As you can see, we started the task here, it's picked up the item, and now checking them out. The captcha solver popped up on the monitor, but as you can see, it's checking them out now, and my card got declined here because obviously it wasn't a real card. That's pretty much it, guys. As you can see, it's checking out a lot here if the card was actually real. Alright guys, that is pretty much it for this video on how to work NSB. If you guys have any questions or anything, definitely be sure to leave a comment down in the comment section below and I'll do my best to get to them. Obviously guys, if there's thousands of comments, it's going to be pretty hard, so just bear with me. Also guys, if you want to check out NSB, links down in the description below. And if you guys want to get it for that $350 price, definitely be sure to check out Saber.io. Also link down in the description. And as always guys, if it helped you guys out in any way in this video, please be sure to leave a like down below and hit that subscribe button for more content. Also guys, if you haven't followed my Twitter, my Instagram, and Snapchat, all that good stuff is linked down in the description below also. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm UnlimitedCop, and I'm out.
I run my city without running shoes. You ain't gotta wonder who. All these rappers sound the same. Damn, there is a ton of you. I just smirked the competition, did it right in front of you. Before I even learned to count, I kept it 100 too. I be on my Kendrick shit, really about to humble you. Never ever drop the ball, no, I never